Hello dear student, I am Dr. Amol Talankar, Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Global Engineering College, Jabalpur. Dear friends, we are going to learn the subject Advanced Machining Process. Let me tell you the course objective. After learning this subject, you will be able to understand the fundamentals and techniques in advanced manufacturing process. The second objective is that you can compare the various advanced machining processes, and the third objective is to learn about the selection of machining process. Dear friends, in this subject there are various topics like the mechanical processes, their comparison, the machining rate, metal removal rate, and the comparison with the traditional machining process. In unit 2, you are going to learn the various thermal and chemical machining process. In the next unit, we will learn the additive manufacturing process, and in the last unit, we are going to learn about the micro and nano manufacturing processes. In previous semesters, we have learned the production process 1 and production process 2. In production process 1, we have learned the various manufacturing process in which the manufacturing takes place without the metal removal. The processes were welding, casting, press working, forging, etc. In manufacturing process 2 or production process 2, we have learned the various metal removal manufacturing processes and the various terminologies like the metal removal rate, cutting speed, feed and depth of cut, and various manufacturing processes which are accomplished by the single point cutting tool and multi-point cutting tool. In that subject, you have learned the various machine tools like lathe, shaper, slaughter, milling, etc. In this subject, on the same line, we are going to learn about the non-traditional or advanced machining processes. Now, let me tell you, the advanced machining process are very important in current scenario because of the challenging raw material, the challenging geometry of required product, and the cost effectiveness. The materials which are fragile like ceramics, glass, or the materials which are very hard and hard to machine with traditional manufacturing process can be easily machined at very economical rate by non-traditional manufacturing process. So details about all these processes we will learn step by step in coming sessions. Thank you.